Hi everyone, welcome to the Active 2.0 support video series. My name is Raul with Active Products, and today we're going to be diving in on how to troubleshoot your Active 2.0. In this series, we'll be going over the troubleshooting steps for common issues. In this video, we'll tackle what to do should you experience low or fluctuating pressure with your Active 2.0. To deal with low or fluctuating pressure, you must first ensure that the water supply to your unit is not the source of the problem. To assess your water input, please ask yourself the following. Is your water source between 40 and 100 psi with a flow rate of at least 4 gallons per minute? Typically, city water meets this requirement. However, if you're sourcing your water from a tank or a well, it's important to check that the water supply is sufficient. Are your waterways clear, and are there any leaks that may be decreasing pressure? Has your garden hose been kinked anywhere, cutting off the water flow? Please take this time to check your unit's garden hose filter to make sure that it's clean and free from debris. After checking your water supply, if you continue to have trouble, it can be due to an internal leak in your unit, specifically water bypassing the valves inside the pump. Air inside your unit can cause pressure changes, preventing the unit from reaching its target pressure, or producing sudden drop-offs in pressure. While using the unit, determine if the issue persists only within the first 5 minutes of use. This indicates that there's air in the lines that has not been properly purged. It's important to note that the water flow can be inconsistent when air is present in the system. It's always a good idea to purge the air out of the unit before switching on the pressure washer. With the unit off and the water source connected, you can purge the unit by squeezing the trigger until you get an even flow of water at garden hose pressure out the end of the unit. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any further assistance with your Active 2.0, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@activeproducts.com. We'd love to help you. Hope you all have a great day, and see you in the next video.